You'll have to excuse this as something of an off-the-cuff video, and the empire of dirt you see around here. There's a few, you could call them projects going on. The item of interest is, well, it's the pins there, but to start with, I picked this and it shat the bed. All the pins sort of exploded out of the core on the inside and it started rattling and obviously wouldn't ever open again. So I thought, well, I could at least make some use of the pins. So I drilled a hole in it, and this is the scene you see in front of you. So the pins next to the syringe, these came from a Masterlock 2250D, which I attempted to pick a long time ago, and for some reason you picked it, and the side of the lock sort of started falling away because it hadn't been put together properly. So it had an incident involving a hammer, which picked it quite successfully. And you can see quite how terrible the machining on these spools is. These are not double spools. That is just bad machining. It looks like they're being machined out of cheese. And then you come over to these spools from the lockout lock, the ones next to the broken Peterson. And there's some damage to one of them. That's where some idiot twatted it with a drill. But otherwise, these are really nicely done. They're nicely finished. Clearly, there's good tooling on those machines. And that serrated pin is beautiful. Compare it to this thing over here. You don't know if that's supposed to have 2 or 3 grooves on it, whereas this thing is really nicely done. And next to the pipette, you've got some spools that came out of a high security Euro cylinder that was too far gone. I tried to refurbish it, but it was too badly corroded inside. But yeah, I just found this interesting. The fact that Masterlock, same sort of marketing as high security cores and blah blah blah, same company, yet you get this foulness in one product, and then this where some real care and work's gone into it. It's not like the company can't do it, it's just they choose not to.